Ilang beses pa bang paulit-ulit na sasabihin sa'yo, ikaw lang talaga. Kahit minsan ramdam ko na sa'yo wala lang halaga. Mga bagay na aking nagawa, minsan ramdam ko parang balik, wala kinakaya. Kahit minsan hirap na o baka naman wala lang talaga. May pag-asa pa talaga, pati pa sabihin sinta. Naubusan na rin ako ng salita, meron pa bang ginagawa? Ayos lang naman kahit na sa listahan mo ay panghuli na. Huwag mo sanang isiping susukuan ka, di mo masisi kung ganito nadarama. Kasalanan ko ba kung mahal kita?
Infobells! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear one. Happy birthday to you. From good friends and true. From old friends and new. May good luck go with you and happiness too. Infobells! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear one. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the sun burn.
Happy birthday, Miss Vanilla, Ice Ice Baby. Today is your birthday, be. I wish you all the best, more in good health, more blessings to come with your family. And thank you when I meet you to my Sisi Ronas VR. That time, naalala mo yan, you are Harley Quinn. Napunta tayo ng Hello, lahat-lahat na. And then nagkita tayo ulit dito kay Miss KFC. So, thank you, be, na di man tayo masyado nagkakausap kasi may mga kabisi-bisihan tayo. So, today is your birthday. I wish you all the best. And more love life to come. Ay, sana all. And stay as you are. And alam ko naman mabait ka talaga. So, enjoy your day and happy birthday, Miss Vanilla Ice Ice Baby. Naungkat ko yung mga ano natin. Okay, babe, happy birthday and enjoy your day. Mwah! Chup chup.
The best day of your life, and I can will sing. Hey, 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 happy birthday to you, you. I just wanna say, hey, 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 happy birthday to you, you. Now let's celebrate. Whoa, whoa, happy birthday. Whoa, whoa, it's your birthday.
Hello, Sisi. Happy birthday. Thank you for being a good friend to me and to all of us in KFC channel group. And this is first day of another 365-day journey. May you be given more birthdays to fulfill all of your dreams and be happy always. God bless to you, and of course to all of your family members, good health, and also I wish you a good life, good health, and good love life. Happy birthday. Mwah.